everybody, Iceman50 here. So I kind of talked about this before. These little tough pods that I found. Tough pods and RGB. So I don't think I want 4 though. 4. I want to start with 1 or 2. So what I'm gonna do is they give you all the bundles of wires here. Here's the little RGB pods. So I'm gonna go down here somewhere and I'm gonna cut these. I opened this up inside and it looks like there's 3 wires. So what we're gonna do is, and it's all potted in there, all silicone. You know, kudos to them. That's pretty good because you know, most of the time you see this stuff, it's not. So what we'll do is we'll just, you know, cut in 1 wire at a time. I got my wire cutter strippers here. We'll cut in here, and I have Weather-Pac connectors. I use these on the turn signals and all that stuff when I did the fender eliminator kit. If you guys go back, you can see that video. So yeah, this is just a continuation. This is just some under lighting that I thought would be cool on the ground. So let's get into this here. We just gotta pick one. Man, the cables are so long too. I mean, doing this, it'll allow me to, you know, put a connector on this end, and then I can custom cut this to whatever length I want, you know, instead of having a ridiculous bundle of wire. So let's here we go. No looking back now. Oh, it's a bris, everybody. All right, everybody. So we got our 4 wires crimped here, and yeah, I think I'm gonna go green, black, blue, red. So before we do that, we gotta slip on our little doodads here. You can hear my 3D printer in the background. It's printing off some more of these, more colored side washers for my grom. We got some in red, and I have one in black. Alright, so yeah, that's the other thing I'm working on right now. So. What I like to do is take something like a little screwdriver and go behind it and just, there, it went click and you just push down. See, now you can see that it's, the pin's where it's supposed to be. Alright, so I said, so I'll do better on it somewhere else. I'll do like a little. I mean, it doesn't really matter. They're all in parallel, but so if I pin them all the same, then it doesn't matter. That's kind of my point, I guess. It doesn't make a big deal. So, all right. The next thing we'll do is I'll show you. You know, maybe we'll figure out a spot for the bike, and then I'll show you putting the connector on this one. And we'll figure out a place to mount this and wire this guy up too, because you know, it might be cool to run with everything off right off the battery, but it might not too. So we'll figure that out. All right, let's see you guys when I get some other stuff done.